This is how to go viral on TikTok. You go to your TikTok. Once you go to your TikTok, you go to options. You see options. Once you tap on options, you tap on settings and privacy. Right? Settings and privacy. Once you tap on settings and privacy, you tap on account. Once you tap on account, make sure that your account is personal account, not business. So this is in personal. So after you go to privacy, when you go to privacy, make sure that this is turned off because you need to be running a public TikTok account. So after doing that, you're going to scroll down and look for free app space. You see free app space. So you tap on free app space. Once you tap on free app space, you have to clear. This is the first one, right? So I've just cleared mine. You have to tap right here and clear. That is the first step, right? So after doing that, you go to your profile and tap on add. This is the add. You tap on add. When you tap on add, you can now choose any seconds. We have 10 minutes, 60 seconds, 15 seconds, and photo. So let's choose 15 seconds. After choosing 15 seconds, you can now take your video, right? After taking your video, you can now approve your video. After approving your video, you can press next, then you go to more options. After going to more options, you can now tap on allow. Make sure that you turn on allow high quality uploads. So if you want to make money on TikTok, just comment I'm interested in the comments to show you how. Don't forget to check my profile for step-by-step tutorial sessions.